Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Welcome to 201 River Meadow Drive in Henrietta. This charming Cape Cod has exceptional size and is walking distance to RIT. I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This charming Cape Cod features great space and many updates. Starting with a newer kitchen with gorgeous wood cabinetry, a tongue-and-groove pine ceiling, and beautiful hardwood floors, leading to an expansive living room with maintenance-free flooring, and an adjacent sunroom with a dining area and French doors to the deck. The first floor also features a spacious bedroom and an updated bathroom, while the upstairs features 2 to 3 additional bedrooms for great space and guests. Enjoy a great newer deck overlooking the partially fenced-in backyard. Also available is an adjacent separate building lot for additional privacy or building your new home. It's all about the exceptional location with this property being adjacent to the Genesee River and steps away from RIT, U of R, and downtown Rochester. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 201 River Meadow Drive in Henrietta, one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist. Cheers to living here!